Good morning, children. Today we will solve some numericals. Okay, focus on the board. The first numerical is 3 resistors. We have taken 3 resistors. The resistances are 10 ohms, 20 ohms and 30 ohms. How are they connected? They are connected in parallel with a 6 volt cell. We are asked to find the current through each resistor, the current supplied by the cell, total current, okay, and the equivalent resistance of the circuit. So we'll start solving. See the circuit, how it is connected, 6 volt battery, then all the 3 resistors are connected in parallel. And it can be marked as R1, R2, R3 because it is 10 ohms, 20 ohms and 30 ohms. What's the first question? We are asked to find the current through each resistor. So the first one you see I1, I2, I3 like that we will find. So I1 is equal to V by R1. Which is R1 here? 10 ohms. So V by V is 6 volt battery, no? So 6 by 10 ohms is equal to 0.6. What is the unit here? Amps. Because it is current. Same way we will find for all the 3. I2 you see 6 by 20. I3 is 6 by 30. Got it. Okay, this is current through each resistor. The second question is the current supplied by the cell. So the total current supplied by the cell we should find. So the I or a current supplied by the cell is equal to, if you want to find I, the formula is I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. So if you add all the 3, you will get the total amps. Okay. Third one is equivalent resistance of the circuit. Equivalent resistance means total, no? So R is equal to V by I. That is one formula. R you can give, say I have given RC. Formula is 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So if you do like that, 1 by 10 ohms plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30, you will get 11 by 60 ohms. It can be written as Rp by 1, so 5.5 ohms. Or one more formula is also there. R is equal to V by I we can put and we can find it like that. That also can be done. Okay, 2 ways to find equivalent resistance. Now check the next one. Calculate the current through 3 ohm resistor in the circuit. Read the question again. Calculate the current through 3 ohm resistor in the circuit. There are 3 resistors, but we are asked to find the current through 3 ohm resistor in the circuit. See the circuit diagram. 12 volt battery, then it is connected like 4 ohms is in series and 3 ohms and 6 ohms are in parallel. Okay, write down. 3 ohms and 6 ohm resistors are connected in parallel. If you want to find the equivalent resistance of that, what should we do? R is equal to, the formula you see, put it inside a box. R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. We can find it like that. Okay, so R is equal, if you want to find only that parallel thing, you will get 2 ohms. If you take like that, then you put that in series. See the diagram now? 4 ohms plus which one I have added? What we have taken now, the equivalent resistance that I have added. So 4 ohms and 2 ohms. So we are asked to find what? Current. No, we are asked to find current for 3. But we want to find the total thing and then we will find it out. So if you take like this 4 ohms and equivalent resistance, if you take it is 2. I is equal to V by R. What is V here? V is equal to 12. R is equal to, you should add these two things, 4 plus 2, 6. So the total current which is flowing is 2 amps. Okay, got it? 2 amps. Now, this current is divided in 2 resistors. Which are the 2 resistors? 4 ohms as 3 ohms as well as 6 ohms also it is divided. Because in parallel, current is different. Only in series, current is same. Okay, now it is, how it is divided you see. Find the current through 3 ohms. Now R1 you are taking it as 3 ohms. R2 you are taking it as 6 ohms. Now if you want to find the current is equal to R2 by R1 plus R2. So if you are writing like that, what is R2 here? 6 ohms. Which is 6 ohms here? 6 ohms is R2. No. So 6 ohms into what is current here? 2 amps we have found. It is 2 amps. So R2I means 6 ohms into 2 amps by R1 plus R2. Which is R1? 3 ohms plus 6 ohm. If you write like that, if you find the LCM and all, 2 6 are 12. 12 ohm amps plus 3 plus 6, 9 ohms. So if you strike it, ohm and ohm will get cancelled. 9 and 12, you will get 1.33 amps. Okay. Now the third one. How will you join 3 resistors of resistances? So 3 resistors are given, 4 ohms, 6 ohms and 12 ohms to get an equivalent resistance of 8 ohms. So we should get the equivalent resistance as 8 ohms. This you keep in mind. They have given 3 resistors. Okay. What would be the highest and lowest equivalent resistances possible by joining these resistors? Okay, our challenge is now we are asked to find out how these 3 resistors should be used at the same time. Highest and lowest equivalent resistances we should find. Okay, equivalent resistance is 8 ohms. So 12 ohm cannot be in the series, because what we have studied is in series equivalent resistance is greater than the greatest resistor. Okay, so it should be parallel. In parallel, the equivalent resistance 8 ohms has to be less than all the resistances, lesser than the least. No, so 4 ohms and 6 ohms cannot be in parallel. So we will try with one by one. Now 4 ohms we are joining this side, and in parallel 12 and 6. If you do like that, find the equivalent resistance there. 6 ohms into 12 by 6 plus 12. So you will get 4 ohms. So here this side it is 4 ohms. 4 plus 4, it is 8 ohms. So the highest resistance from series is, if you keep like this, 4 plus 12 plus 6 is equal to 22 ohms. And the lowest, what is the formula? 1 by R is equal to Rp, we can put 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So if you write like this, you will get 6 plus 6 by 12 ohms. So Rp is equal to 12 by 6. So it is 2 ohms. Okay. Try to solve this. If you have any doubt, you can send it to me. We will discuss. Okay. Bye.